In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Chownow discount promo codes. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and right here you'll have to search for Chownow discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called wordpenny.com and open it. As you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes and deals that we can use in order to get some discounts. So, for example, right here, if you want to get, let's say, this one with $10 discount off your first order, all you need to do is just tap right here where it says show code. And here is the promo code right here that you can simply copy, and you can use this one in order to get a $10 discount. Also, going back to the main search right here, we have this website which is called Simply Codes. And right here on this website, you also have some promo codes as well that you can use to get some discounts. So right here, all you need to do is just, for example, if you want to get this 10% discount right here, all you need to do is just tap on this button where it says copy code, and right here the promo code will show up. You can simply copy the promo code from this button right here, and you can apply this promo code on your next purchase in order to get a 10% discount. So this is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.